Manufacturers get really good at working around bad systems. For a while, good people hold it together. But your business needs a system that can carry more of the weight. Finding that system isn't always easy. Some ERPs are too small to centralize the company. Others are expensive, difficult to implement, hard to use, or just not built with enough manufacturing depth. Cetec ERP was built to fill that gap. It's a full-scale, web-native ERP platform with everything needed to run a manufacturing company. CRM and quoting, purchasing and inventory, production, scheduling, and shop floor control, quality, traceability, shipping, accounting, and reporting, all in one system. Cetec ERP has been forged through decades of work across electronics, aerospace, medical devices, machining, fabrication, industrial equipment, and many other manufacturing industries. Deep functionality is available out of the box with thousands of configuration options to fit any manufacturing company, process, and requirement. The system is nimble, fast, and straightforward to use. Pricing is transparent and affordable. Our in-house team works directly with customers through implementation, training, and long-term support. One system, everything you need. Cetec ERP. Build your way.